Restore your truck bed liner. Truck bed liners protect your truck bed from scratches, dents and dust. It also keeps fine-grained cargo like sand from getting in between the sides of the truck and the rear door. They are subjected to the weight and textures of various materials carried on the truck, such as construction or landscaping supplies, bricks, wood, bags of cement, garden soil, shovels and the like can cause the truck bed liner to lose its original shine. There are two types of truck bed liners. These are drop-in and sprayed-on. Drop-in bed liners, although easily installed, may shift about and scratch off the paint of your truck bed. On the other hand, sprayed-on liners are not as thick as drop-ins, but they do not shift about as they are almost permanent. Whether you have a drop-in or sprayed-on bed liner on your pickup truck, these simple steps can help restore its condition. Find a good restoring gel. There are a number of truck bed restoring coats or gels available in the market. Truck bed restoring gels helps bring back the luster in your faded bed liner. Wash down the truck bed liner. Before applying the restoring gel, ensure that the truck bed is free of dust. Wash it thoroughly with water and allow it to dry. Apply the gel. Pour a fair amount of the restoration gel onto the applicator. Most of the restoring gels come with a sponge or applicator, which are mostly shaped like the ribs of the truck bed liner. Evenly spread a thin layer of the bed liner gel over the entire truck bed liner area. Remember to undertake this restoration out of direct sunlight. Let it dry. After these steps, don't forget to rinse the applicator with water. Allow the truck bed liner with a fresh coating of restoring gel to dry for 12 to 15 minutes. These products usually protect your truck bed liner for up to 6 months. Unlike paint, they don't just sit on the surface. The gel seeps into the truck bed liner's pores and does a recoloring action. Your pickup truck's bed liner will look as clear black as it did from the start. Restoring your truck bed liner whenever the need arises is a good way to avoid rusting. It also helps your truck look new. However, you may also consider using a plastic or foam sheeting when you're hauling heavy or bulky objects with sharp edges. To avoid scratching your truck's bed, wrap the sharp-edged parts of the objects in tape or foam. If you take extra caution in this manner, you would probably stretch the 6-month lasting effect of the restoration gel. Install a plastic bed liner or use plastic sheeting when transporting large, heavy, or sharp-cornered objects that will cause damage to your truck's bed. Wrap sharp edges in tape or place a plastic lining or old bed sheet between the object and the bed lining. Care for the truck bed liner is one of many regular checkups you should do on your pickup truck. If you have a fair amount of knowledge regarding truck motors and its inner components, you may perform the checks yourself. If you're not, then have professionals do the checkup.